punta tayo sa website, no? So yan guys, website is nasaan na kasi ko user panel. So okay, now just log in sa website, then just click event below user. Okay, so for the 7th day you will get 3 hours training rosary. Okay, so just claim this one. Then eto may strict bonus kayo, no? Kung makikita nyo may strict bonus. This strict bonus is 1 day rosa. So meaning magkakaroon kayo ng 1 day rosa. Marireceive nyo yan through email. Etong 7th day na claim or login is 3 hours. Okay, now punta tayo sa in-game, no? So andito na tayo sa in-game, and let's see, no? Ito meal. Then this one, hindi to event card to. Okay, eto yan guys. So enjoy your 3 streak bonus. So this is a 1 day rosa. I-claim ko na siya. So ngayon meron akong 13 days na rosa. So ito kasi reward to before sa alpha test. Ngayon ito, okay, claim ko siya para makita nyo. Claim. Now ayan, na-add siya dito, training rosary 1 day. Dun siya nasama. From 13 naging 14 pieces yung training rosary ko. Okay, so yun lang guys, no? Good luck, happy leveling.